What if one of the most elegant American cars ever made came back today? Not as a retro copy, but as a true modern grand tourer. This is the Buick Riviera, reimagined for the modern world. The original 1971 Buick Riviera was unlike anything else on the road. Its dramatic boat tail design, long hood and sweeping rear made it one of the boldest American cars ever built. It wasn't just muscle, it was luxury, style, and power in one machine. Under the hood sat a massive 455 cubic inch V8, delivering effortless torque in that unmistakable American rumble. But imagine if Buick decided to bring the Riviera back today. Not as an SUV, not as a crossover, but as a true grand touring coupe. The new Riviera would keep the soul of the original, a long sculpted hood, a low, elegant roofline, and a wide, confident stance. The iconic boat tail rear could return, reimagined with a full-width LED light bar stretching across the back. Up front, a clean, modern grille and razor-thin headlights would give it a futuristic yet unmistakably Buick identity. Inside, luxury would define the experience. Soft leather, real wood trim, and flowing dashboard lines inspired by classic Rivieras. Instead of oversized screens everywhere, the design could blend modern technology with classic analog-inspired gauges. A driver-focused cockpit built for long, effortless journeys. And under the hood, a modern twin-turbo V6, or even a powerful hybrid performance system, delivering over 500 horsepower while still keeping that smooth, grand touring character. Fast, refined, effortless. The Riviera was never just a car, it was a statement of style and confidence. And if Buick ever brought it back, it might once again become one of the most beautiful grand tourers on the road. If Buick revived the Riviera like this, would you drive it?